This is a truly magical location. With an address like 1111, you could only manifest your dream home. This home offers maximum use of square footage, so all the areas feel like entertainment. You see, you have an open chef's kitchen and open dining to become the new living room. Massive, oversized ceiling heights on the second floor add the final touch of this masterpiece home. Located on a southeast corner lot, you can wake up to gorgeous sunrises and an abundance of natural light. Here's your opportunity to own a new turnkey residence in the heart of Rio Vista.